In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download elements from Canva. This is perfect when you only need a specific icon, illustration, or small group from a larger design, without exporting the entire page. Start by opening your design and locating the element or elements you want to save. Take a second to zoom in if you need precision, so you can clearly see what you're selecting. When you're ready, select the elements. On desktop, hold the Shift key and click each item you want to include. You'll see a highlight around each one as it becomes part of the selection, which is a helpful way to confirm you've got everything you need and nothing you don't. Once your elements are selected, open the Action menu. On desktop, right-click anywhere on the selection. On mobile, tap the More icon, the three dots. From the menu that appears, choose Download Selection. This option tells Canva to export only the items you picked, instead of the whole design. Next, choose your file type. If you want a high-quality image that works well for presentations, websites, or social posts, PNG is a solid choice and preserves crisp edges. If you need a true vector that can be scaled infinitely or edited in vector software, choose SVG. Keep in mind that SVG is best for simple shapes, icons, and text. Photos and complex effects are rasterized and won't behave like pure vectors. Before you download, there's an optional setting called Transparent Background. Turn this on if you don't want a white box around your element when you place it on another background. This is especially useful with PNG exports for logos, stickers, and overlays. Note that some accounts require a paid plan for transparent PNG. If you're exporting as SVG, transparency is typically inherent unless your selection includes a background object. When everything looks right, click Download. Canva will prepare the file and save it to your computer. On mobile, your device may prompt you to choose a location or it will save to your downloads by default. That's it. Thanks for watching.